New Delhi has criticized Pakistan for stopping all trade across the line of control after a drug smuggler was arrested by Indian authorities earlier this month. Now, India says Islamabad should immediately explain its insistence that the driver of the impounded truck enjoys diplomatic immunity and therefore cannot stand trial in India.
It's been 12 days since these Pakistani trucks have been stranded here at Islamabad in Uri district. Victim to Pakistan's surprisingly tough and seemingly meaningless stance on a drug runner.
Pakistan has been saying that they want the Indian side to release the truck driver so that they can act on him in their own way, on their own side. However, India has not been agreeing to that part.
There have been 2 rounds of talks between India and Pakistan to resolve the standoff, but to no avail. The External Affairs Ministry has expressed regret at Pakistan's continued refusal to allow the resumption of trans-LOC travel and trade for the sake of a drug trafficker caught red-handed smuggling narcotics into India. Pakistan had first demanded the truck driver's immediate release, claiming that he enjoyed diplomatic immunity. India has rejected this argument. In the latest meet, Pakistan has now demanded a copy of the FIR and the forensic report proving the contraband was in fact brown sugar. India has in turn asked Pakistan for information regarding investigations on drug trafficking in this particular case. Delhi has also proposed a meeting of the official level joint working group on trans-LOC CBMs in the second week of February.
Sources in the government say India is extremely disappointed with Pakistan. India did not expect Pakistan to close LC trading point because this is a setback for the people-to-people contact between India and Pakistan. India hopes Pakistan will see reason and cross-LOC trade and movement of people will resume in early February. Gaurav Sawant in Delhi for Headlines Today.